Hi students, welcome to Stars of Knowledge Landa channel. I hope this new year started very well for all of you, and I hope you are enjoying and preparing for your exams. Guys, as we have already posted Jan to April 2021 cue card topic video on our channel. If you haven't watched it yet, then do please watch it. So today we are going to talk about one of the speaking cue card, that is, describe a person who you think is very open. And I would like to say that always talk about a person with whom you are familiar, so that you never end of words to say about that person. That person could be somebody from your relatives, could be your close friend, or your siblings, your sister, brother, your parents, your spouse, wife or husband, anyone. It could be anyone, but always try to speak about a person whom you know very well, so that you have a lot to say about that person. So let's start today's cue card. It is, describe a person who you think is very open. You should say who this person is, how you know this person, why do you think this person is very open, and explain how you feel about this person. So in this cue card, I'm going to talk about one of my close friends, and I am very much relatable to one of this my friend, because we both have a same nature. So let's start. In this materialistic and technology driven era, very few people are extroverted. I myself know very few people who are quite frank. Here I will talk about my close friend Swati. She lives in Noida. She is completely opposite in nature to most of my friends, as most of our friends are introverts and do not open up with others easily. However, they think that Swati is quite easygoing and easily becomes friendly with others. Swati is my closest friend because we have so much in common, as we both are very open and blunt. She is quite religious and is always up for religious and historical discussions. She also has a profound knowledge of global current affairs as well as innovations in the field of science and technology. Thus, she is always looking forward to having discussions about almost anything and everything. She has the tact of cheering people up even if they are feeling low. She has the charm and the good sense of humor, due to which everyone tends to enjoy her company. These are the same things which our close ones and our friends say about me too. She is very sensible, and the conversation she usually engages in with people are quite productive. She also has very good judgment of people. Everyone thinks of her as a very generous and well-mannered one. Swati is not at all arrogant by her way of talking and simple living. But sometimes people who don't know her very well think being open and straight is little rude. She really respects her culture, but also pays equal regard to the values and traditions of others. She is quite logical and loves to talk to people of all age groups. Children also get friendly and fond of her after spending a little time with her. Moreover, she is very good at winning the hearts of the elderly by having discreet talks with them. She simply knows how to get to the hearts of people, and almost all in our friend circle like to converse with her. I myself also talk to her for hours, and I don't even realize how the time flies when we talk. So Swati is the person who I know as the most open and extroverted one. So guys, this is the sample answer for the cue card. You can memorize this as you want. You can take some ideas from this. You can use some words or some lines from this if you like, and you can also try to make your own by taking ideas from this to relate to this. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar and also our other channel IELTS Listening and Reading Test. Thank you students, thank you so much, and we will be back with some more IELTS speaking cue card topics. Thank you students, thanks a lot.